This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so I think Sandeep, I think I forgot to send that PPT. Maybe I'll send like once the session is completed, I'll forward today's session along with yesterday's PPT also.
Yes, please.
Okay, so let me do the screen share. Okay, just let me know if you are able to see my screen. I'm doing the screen sharing.
Yeah, I can see it.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay. See here, like basically in SAP, mostly like we have a implementation project, support project, rollout, and a migration project. So difference between implementation, like basically implementation is nothing but like if they are going to migrate from non-SAP to SAP system, then we will first time we will implement the project. We will start implementing the project and utilizing like once it is implementation is completed, then business people will utilize that system and then they can use the system related all activities and all. After implementation again, sometimes users may get the some like a business required some support also. Those support is related to support project is a different process. Also migration, like if they are going to migrate from uh, like a lesser version, like suppose if they are using ECC version, if they are going to S4 HANA, then it is a migration project. Definitely, like here, we need to understand what type of project it is, whether it is an implementation project or support project or rollout project or migration project. Rollout, again, one more project which is a rollout project. Rollout is they will they are already running a business. They are already using SAP system in one country. Now is like the business they want to implement in different country. Let's take like they are already using US country, now they want to implement other country, either Switzerland, or they have a business in Switzerland also. Let's take they have a business in Switzerland also. In that case, they are ready to roll out the same project, same SAP implementation, Switzerland company, then it is a rollout project. Okay, hope you clear now little bit.
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah, yeah. So now basically like we will cover up first implementation project, like we will do the implementation. In implementation again, first we need to understand what like how many what is their business process, like how they are going to do business in currently, like how many customers they have, how many vendors they have, how may making the payment, how they are doing the payment to the vendors, and how they are collecting the incoming payment. All the details, really detailed information we need to capture in business blueprint document. So here, maybe if you take any business process, in the business process like any implementation project, you can see the non-SAP team and the SAP team. So SAP mostly like in the market there are many like SAP partners are available to implement the SAP, like IBM, Accenture, Capgemini, Virtusa. These are all like SAP partners. They will implement the project to any organization or any company. Let's take like a TNT is a business. They have a business right now. They are using non-SAP system, so now they are ready to go for SAP. In that case, TNT people, TNT side, they have a project manager will be there, core team accounts manager will be there, cost accountant will be there, purchase manager, sales manager, and IT staff. These people like non-SAP people will be available. And the SAP side, like SAP partner team also will be available, like a project manager, FI consultant, CO consultant, consultant, SD, ABAP, basis team. These are all team will be there. These team like each like individually they will connect to every team and they will prepare one documentation. Like suppose FI consultant they will connect with FI people, like accounts manager they will connect to accounts manager, and then they will drop the one documentation after connecting with account manager. FI people will prepare, like FI consultant will prepare a one documentation. The documentation which is nothing but it's a business blueprint document. Business blueprint document, which is an pre-configuration document. Pre-configuration document. Also, it is an as is process document. Sometimes we may call it as is process document. What is required from SAP? All the details like team, we will prepare business blueprint. Based on business blueprint, we will do the to be process document, we will finish it. So here as is process, what business, how they are running business, how many customers they have, how many vendors they have, how they are making the payment, and how they are collecting the payment. All the detailed information which is a drafted, the drafted document which is a business blueprint document, that is a as is process information will be there in the business blueprint document. So based on as is process document, we will do the SAP implementation or SAP configuration we will do, which is an to be process we will consider, which is an to be process. Okay. So again, like we have a development client, production client. Development client, we will do the configuration or whatever the existing process. We will stop it existing process and we will implement the process into current system which is in SAP system. That is an development client. So here client mostly like when you log into SAP system, you will see the client is of 800. Let me log into SAP. So here if you observe here, like when I go to SAP login system, hope you can see my screen, right? SAP screen.
Yes, I can still see your screen.
Yeah. Okay, just it is connecting. So like when SAP, like when business people will purchase the SAP, by default we will get like 0001, 067 and 800. Basis consultant, what they will do, they will copy from 00 client and give the number required by business, like what number they required. Mostly like client 800 is a idea system, which is a training system or practice system we can say. So currently which we are doing in system, we are practicing these, and mostly it is a like if I go to login, by default client number will populate. This is the client. Can you see this client number?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is a client where initially like when you log in, by default it will come 800 client. It is a IDS system or a training system, practice system. But in real time scenario, mostly 800 will not be there. Instead of 800, we will be having 100, 200 or 300, because always we will copy from 002 or 800 client copy, and then we will create one more client which is other than 800 or other than 00. That is the one. Here you can see client 800 development client, but in real time scenario you can see the 100, 200, 300. So 100 might be it is a development, 200 is a quality, which is a testing system, 300 is a production system. So here id creation, user id and all in real time scenario basis people or security people will create the username and password. They will provide the username password related things in real time scenario. Okay. And one more thing here we need to understand, like when you log into in training system, maybe I'll try to explain you how you need to log in real time scenario, like in training system also. You need to give the username password, enter the username. Here client by default it will come 800. Give the username and then provide the password. So now you can see the password. Suppose maybe let me try for one more. It is coming. Mhm. Okay. So you can use anyhow. It is not like blocking. It is not stopping you to log in. Even multi login also it is allowing in S4HANA, I guess. So that is the reason it is not stopping to anything. You can directly you can use the username password. Enter the username password. Okay. So here mainly when you log in first you will see the SAP Easy Access, and also you can see the menu header. In the menu header you have a like options menu, edit, favorites, extras, systems, all these details like one by one, like whenever we require we will go and we will find out the options and all. For now we need to concentrate on SAP Easy Access. Under SAP Easy Access screen you can see the menu. Under menu here we have a like a cross application, office, and other options like folders are there. Mostly like we will concentrate on only accounting folder only. Here we have a accounting folder. Like once you open the accounting folder, again you will get one more folder like financial accounting. Under financial accounting you can see the GL, AR, AP, all these details you can see. Mostly like here SAP Easy Access screen is for end users only. It's not a consultant screen. To go consultant screen, so like mostly like a consultant and end users, business people is a like whenever they want to do any business transaction, right, daily to post the transaction, it is a end users, you can say, like or else you can use the word business people. And we are a like SAP consultant. We will set up the business, we will set up the system, and then we will do the all the entire configuration like company code related setup. We will set up, we will maintain all the details, and we will hand over the system to the business people. Business people daily for day to day transaction posting or daily activity purpose they will use, and the entire the processes will be do the transaction or anything in this screen only. But our part like SAP consultant part is which is a SPRO or else IMG implementation guide screen. To go IMG screen you need to type in the, here it is a command field. We can type it command field, or else you can go by path also. Mostly like SPRO regularly we use, so that is the reason mostly we will use SPRO T code, or else we can go by using tools, ABAP, customizing IMG. Here you have a like a, for every path you have a one transaction code, like a T code is there. Starting you can see the SPRO. This is a T code shortcut method. You can double click on it here, or you can go here, type SPRO. It will take you IMG screen. There is a customizing execute project. Okay, this is the one. Okay, here you can see the go through the path and post field. Like you have a like a option one, option two. Option one is path. Path means like a step by step, or else folder wise. Like you can open one folder and then you will go for one more folder. Like tools, customizing, IMG. SPRO. This is the path. Or else you can go for one more option, which is option 2, by using T code. If you know the T code, you can type it SPRO. It will take you the other screen, or else it will take you the required screen only. So now, like in SAP 800 client, all the data, all the company code data will be available in 800 client, because 800 client is a high level hierarchy. Under 800 client, we have a all the related information we will maintain, either company code and business area. So here, if you take any business, mostly like you can see the group. Maybe you know the Tata company. Have you heard the Tata company?
Yes, I've heard of that.
Okay. So here Tata is a group company. Under a Tata, we have a many businesses. Like a Tata, they have a Tata Telecommunication, Tata Consultancy, Tata Motors, Tata uh, like steels. There are many business they have, right? Tata business. So here Tata is a group. Under a group, we have a many businesses like Tata Communication, Tata like Motors, Tata uh, Transport, Tata Logistics, something like they have a business. In that case, in real time scenario, Tata is a group company, and a business like a TCS and telecommunication and Tata Motors, all this comes under companies. Under unit, like a unit wise, like they have a business south, north. Again, they will divide the business different location wise. Then it is a units, we can say. But in SAP, group is nothing but a company. The company which generally we use for consolidation report, and the company code is legal reporting, which is country purpose we use, country related. Again, in the country also we have a many businesses. In that case, based on business, we have we need to create a company codes. And business area is like area wise. If you want to if you want to generate any reports based on area, then we will create a business area. So now, are you clear this concept?
So the code that you make takes into account the company, the the location, the
Yeah,
type of company it is, and then the business area,
yeah.
and that'll fit into a three-number code.
Sorry, Sandeep. Three
And
numbers.
that,
Which
yeah,
okay? This one you are talking three numbers, or this one?
yeah, the 800 only.
Okay. 800 is a like a default client, which is a SAP. When you log into SAP system, by default 800 will be there. That is a client.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Under client only, we will maintain all the business setup.
Ah, okay.
Suppose now one business like Tata, they want to implement SAP system. Now they want, right now they are using non-SAP system from today. Okay. From now onwards, they want to utilize SAP system. To implement the SAP system, definitely we need to understand what is their business, how many companies they have, how many groups they have, how many units they have, like how many, how they have, how many customers they, all the details we will capture. So before maintaining is, first we need to understand what is group, what is company, what is unit. It is a general terminology: group, company, unit. These three words, three terminology, which is a domain terminology, which is a non-SAP terminology. But when you come to SAP, group is nothing but a company, and company is nothing but a company code. Unit is nothing but it's a business area. So same way we need to create in SAP company code, business area we need to create. Okay.
Mhm.
Yeah. So here you can see the diagram also, like a group. TNT is a business. Have you heard of TNT?
Uh,
TNT Logistics. TNT Logistics. Even TNT is there in Switzerland also. TNT is there in India also. TNT is there UK, US also. Okay. So they have a TNT logistic business. They have it is a group. TNT is a group. Under TNT, they have their business in US. They have a business in UK. They have business in India.
okay.
Okay. So now in SAP, we need to set up this scenario, including business area. We need to set up. So maybe I'll provide this documentation. Okay. I'll do the configuration for TN US. You need to do the same practice. You need to do the practice for TN UK. Similar way, how we can do the setup, how we can do the configuration for TNT US, TNT UK. Similar way, we have to do the practice and we have to do the training also. Similar process we need to follow. Hope you are following me. You are getting me.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So now I'll do the configuration in the system for TN. I'll do the TN US. Same way you need to do the for TN UK also. Okay. So let me do the TN US. Now here you can see the enterprise structure. Also you can see the company. First in this document we have a given path, like a path is there. Also you can see the T code also is there. And the detailed step by step information is there. You can refer and you can do the configuration. So let me do the configuration of define company in SAP. So I'll go for SPRO. First we will create a company and then we'll create define company code. We'll create the company code and then we'll assign the company to company code. Okay, so now I'll go for SPRO. So here you need to log in, and then once you log into SAP, you have a like a path. Either you can go by path or you can go by entering T code here SPRO. Maybe for first time I'll go by path only. Just double click on SPRO, click on reference IMG, and then go to enterprise structure. You have a like enterprise structure. Here also you can see the path, enterprise structure. Under enterprise structure definition, financial accounting. Under financial accounting, you can see the define company. So I'll set up the company first. Click on define company. Click on new entries. Maybe I'll give TNT GRP. I'll press enter. So here, while maintaining the company, there are many details like optional details are there. Company name we need to specify, company to all the details like what is the company name, all the details will be there in the business blueprint. Based on business blueprint we will maintain all the details, but right now I'm not maintaining all the details except mandatory field. So now country is a mandatory, so I'll assign the country which is US. Are you getting any sound, background sound? Yes, I'm getting small background sound.
Yeah, I am, but it's fine.
Okay, okay, okay. So now I'll go here. So here you have a like a save option is there. Just click on save. Once you click on save, system will ask the transport request. This transport request mostly we use for move the changes from development system to quality system. Okay. So now I'll click on say create new transport request and then I'll give TNUS company setup. Just give the description. Once you click on enter, it will populate the new transport request. This transport request will automatically generated internal, which is done by basis people, transport request related process. Click on continue. So now you can see the message data was saved. So now we have a created group company which is TNT group. Just let me know if you am going fast, if you are not able to catch.
No, I'm catching up.
Okay, I'm going back. So first step, which is define company. So basically to create the company is consolidation reporting purpose. Let's take you have a business in UK, US, India. You have a multiple country level. You have a business, but you want to see all the business consolidation report, all the business profit. If you want to see, then we will go for company. Otherwise, company code is enough. So company and company code. Company is for consolidation. Company code is for legal reporting. Specific business reporting can be generated by using company code. So now I'm creating second step, which is company code creation. You have a same path SPRO, reference IMG, under enterprise structure, financial accounting, and then company code. Click on company code. So here you have an option copy, delete, check company code. First option, if you want to copy, delete, you can go for first option. But now we are creating new company code. So now I'll go for second option, which is edit company code data. So just double click on edit company code data. Now it will take you the in the screen. In the screen you have a like a new entry is there, copy, deletion, all the details are there. So for now don't delete anything existing data. Just for now I'll create option. The same way you need to create also. Click on new entries. Now I'll give a company TNUS. See here you have a like a TNUS. I'll give TNUS and the company name TNT US company. Also, if you observe, like currency field is a tick mark is there. That means it is a mandatory field. It is a required field. If I press enter it, you will get the message also. Fill out all required entry. So here, currency is mandatory. So for US country, currency country key is we have a three-digit currency key which is USD. If you know you can type it, or if you don't know there is a drop down symbol is there. If you click on drop down symbol, system will display available currencies, like you have a, like a total 223 currencies are available. So if it is a UK, you need to choose GBP. So if I go for GBP, see here you can see the GBP, which is British pound. For US you have a USD. Yeah, now you can see the USD, United States dollar. Press enter. Click on save. Now when you click on save, system will populate one more screen here, which is edit address details, like a company Address, company code related address important. So that is the reason here in the first screen we don't have a company related address details. So that is the reason we need to maintain in another screen where which is populated. So here I'll maintain the mandatory field which is US and the street 1, postal code 1234, something I'm maintaining, must be length 5 or 6. Okay, I'll maintain 5 digit. So once you click on it, system will save it. When you save it, like which transport, which number level, which transport level system has to save. Here we have a, by default system will populate the transport request. So one time transport request is enough. No need to create multiple transport requests for one activity. So now I'll save all the transport, all the changes in one transport request only. So which is 781. Just press continue. So now we have created company code also. Are you clear now for these two steps?
Yeah.
Okay. The same way you need to create company and a company code also. Maybe you understand the difference between company and company code, right?
Yeah, I understand.
Okay. So this is the one. And the third step which we need to do, assignment. So like a company we have created, company code also we have created. Both are separate. Now they don't have a connection between company and company code. Now we need to assign the link between company and company code. So if I go for document, even document also we have a same thing. Okay, not same thing I guess. Let me go for business area creation. No, not business area. Yeah, it's third one. See here, third step which is assign company code to company. So first is we have created company. Second, company code. Third, third one is assign company code to company. So let me do for third step which is assignment. But the part is same only like SPRO. You need to type SPRO. You need to come IMG screen. Under IMG screen enterprise structure. Enterprise structure you have assignment. Under assignment you have a financial accounting. You can see the assign company code to company. So just click on assign company code to company. So someone is, see, sometime you will get this type of message regularly, because that means the data is locked by user best and can be displayed only. Do you want to display locked data? Because someone has locked, some other person is locked this screen. So if you want to make any changes, system will not allow you to make changes. So for in that case, what you need to do, I'll go to other screen. I'll open one more screen. If you get that message, then only you need to go for SM12. Maybe you can note down this T code SM12. Suppose if anybody locked the screen, definitely you need to unlock that screen. You cannot do directly. Here if I go for, even system will simply telling locked data. The data is locked by user.
So lock screen is somebody has purposely locked it, or it's somebody is currently using or changing that
Correct.
information.
Yeah, because it is a training system. There are many members. There other people might be doing some practice.
Okay.
Okay, if they might be doing practice, so that is the reason they are. might be it is a problem for you if it is keep on locking. So if you want to unlock that screen, you need to open one more screen, and here at a time. And one more thing, like at a time you can open six screens at a time. Like this is the one screen, this is the one more screen, second screen, you can open one more screen. So here we have like three screens you have opened, right? Up to six system will allow to open six screens. Okay, so now anyhow that is not important. I'll go to, maybe you can note down this T code SM12. Just go to SM12. Now you enter it best, like a client is 800. Username also will come default. No need to enter anything. Just press enter and click on search. Now you can see the this screen, like a best user is locked all these screens. Okay, now select all, click on select all. There is a delete option is there. Can you see this delete option?
Mm-hmm.
Just click on delete. So when you click on delete option, system will say deleting looks that are still in use may lead to inconsistencies. Note that this action will be documented in the system log. Do you want to proceed? Because it is telling, mostly like in real time scenario we should not use in real time scenario, but it is a training system. There is no other option. Always we can delete it. It's not impact much. But in real time scenario we should not do. Make a
Mm.
note. Just remember this one. Okay. I'll delete this one. Click on delete. Still you have some other screens. Again select. Again delete it. Now you can see the log data table is 0. You don't have any logged data.
So in real-time scenario, your only option is actually to go and talk to the person who locked it, right?
Correct, correct. Exactly, exactly.
Okay.
Mostly you don't have access. First thing, you don't have access for SM12
Hmm.
because SM12 is a basis related activity. You might, you don't have access. First thing, you doesn't have access. You don't have access to SM12. Always you need to talk to the person, because when you log into the system, it will give the username, right? You have a like a username. You can directly mail or you can contact user by using this mail ID, user ID and all.
Mhm.
I'll do the third step, which is assign company code to company. Just click on assign still you are getting, might be I'll go back. I'll try again. So yeah, still it is locked. Maybe I'll select it and delete it. Okay, still it is locked. I'll delete it. I'll refresh. Do I have any refresh here? Let me try. Yeah, again it is. I will delete it. Okay, now 0 locked entries. So let me try for, now you can see it is screen is unlocked. It is editable mode. It is enabled now. So now you can assign company code to company. So left side it is a company code and right side you have a company field where you can enter the company. So our company code, you remember our company code which we created?
No, I didn't memorize it.
Okay. So again, if you remember, you can go for position,
Mhm.
or else you can go for F4 option also. You can find it. There are 329. Maybe at least if you remember one word, maybe I'll type it here. I'll find by typing TNT.
Mhm.
Okay, now you can see the TN US is there. This is company code which we created, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'll select this one. I'll go here. Now this company code is displaying. Against to company code, you can see the company is blank. Now I'll assign the company, the company which we created TNT. Again, I'll type it here TNT also, TNT GRP. So now you are linking between company and company codes. Now system will understand so and so company code is under company only. So here we'll get the warning message, but just ignore it and then press enter, click on save and then continue. Now company created, company code created, and the company code is assigned. 3 steps we have completed. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Now I'll go for one more step, fourth step, which is business area. I'll create a business area also. I'll go for financial accounting. Under financial accounting, you can see the define business area. Just click on define business area, select new entries, and business area I'll create TN business BU business area for TN US. Save it. For now, I'm not creating like business areas, many business areas. For testing purpose, just a training purpose, I'm creating only one business
Mm.
area is enough. But in real time scenario, you can see more than one, like depending on their business. If they have want to see they want to track the business area wise or location wise, region wise, then they will create multiple business areas. Okay, now 4 steps we have completed. One is company, second company code, third assign company code to company, fourth business area. Can you repeat like what are all steps we done till now?
Sorry,
No, what steps we have completed till now? What configuration we have done?
we've done define the company code,
Okay,
assign company code to company,
good.
and then we've done
Business area.
business area. Yeah.
Okay. So now hope you understand why we are maintaining company, why we are maintaining company code. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go for material so that you will get clarity also. Okay. Next one, we need to discuss about chart of accounts. So here we have a SAP. Always we need to create the chart of account. Chart of account is a part of GL accounts. GL, all the list of the GL account will be created under chart of account level only. General ledger accounts. So to create the any general ledger accounting, we need chart of account is mandatory to set up. If you don't have a chart of account, you cannot run business in SAP system. So SAP has given some options. Those are all mandatory options. Those are all some optional. If it is a mandatory, definitely we need to create. Otherwise, you cannot able to do the business or you cannot able to run anything in SAP system. So now fifth step, which is chart of account creation. So here chart of account, we have a 3 types of chart of account. One is operational, group, and country chart of account. Operational chart of account, it's a day to day transaction purpose, and it is a legal reporting purpose. Operation chart of account is compulsory, it is mandatory. If you don't create operation chart of account, you cannot run the business. So that is the reason operation chart of account is mandatory. Second one is a group chart of account. Group chart of account is for consolidation purpose, and it is also reporting purpose, and it is not compulsory. Okay. Third one. Third, which is a country chart of account. It is country specific reporting purpose. It is not compulsory. Country specific reporting purpose, and it is not compulsory. So let me create a chart of account also. I hope you clear right here chart of account.
Yes, I understand.
Yeah. So if you want to create any GL account, all the GL accounts is a part of chart of account level only. GL account is, right, what is the GL account? GL is nothing but it's a day-to-day transaction purpose.
Hmm.
It will enter the all the details, either rent account, salary account, expense account, all is a part of GL account. Those GL account we will need to create under chart of account level. So let me do the configuration of SAP chart of account level, related in configuration. So here chart of account, the other way to give transaction code is from menu. Here again the same path. But till now whatever we are doing, it is a consultant activity, like SAP FI-CO consultant activity. So once configuration is completed, then we need to verify the configuration which we did is correct or not. We need to validate. Okay, it is reconnecting. Just give me 2 minutes. Okay, and one more thing, like just want to check with you. If I provide you system like SAP system, at what time you will be doing practice? At what time? Mostly like I can provide you 3 hours daily, which 3 hours you can utilize the SAP system.
Okay.
No, just tell me the timing. Which time you need a SAP system to for practice?
Me, most likely I'll be doing it after, usually after work, so maybe around after 6 my time, which is
Okay,
9:30 India time, 9:30
9:30,
p.m.
9:30 p.m. Okay, 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 9:30 p.m. Okay, fine. I think 9:30 p.m. is a problem. No problem. You can utilize the system from 9:30 to 10:30, 9:30 to 10:30, 11:30. You can utilize system 9:30 to 11:30.
Okay.
Okay, because we have a server. We know like we need to buy this server again. So that is the reason. Like mostly we need a currently other person also using the same system. So that is the reason. Maybe you can utilize the system from 9:30 IST, 9:30 to till 11:30.
Hmm.
Okay, might be it is disconnected. Let me log in again. You know how to log in, right? Maybe I forgot to show you how to log in. Maybe in laptop we have a remote desktop, right?
Yeah.
just click on remote desktop and enter the these details like computer login ID. I'll provide this details like IP address, and you can enter. Also enter the username. I'll provide these two details like IP address, username, and then just click on connect. Once you click on connect, it will ask the username. It will ask the username password again. Hmm. To the remote computer for none of these reasons is not enabled. What happened? Uh, okay, just a minute. Maybe I'll check with the server team why system is not working. Just got disconnected. Okay, that server is not working. Okay, we'll do one more other one, which like we have a other one normal like ECC one we have a SAP ECC, and then we have a S4 HANA also. So we'll try for S4 ECC only. This is one more system, which is a ECC system. Okay, Sandeep?
Hmm.
Yeah. No, I'm telling you, like there is a server, two servers are there. At present, we have a two servers. One is ECC server, one is S4 HANA server. But S4 HANA, it is a latest version, but ECC is a old version.
Okay.
So now, if you want, I can show you all the details in ECC. For time being, once we get the SAP system, like S4 HANA, we can practice in that other system only, other server. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'll go here, SPRO, reference IMG, financial accounting, general ledger, GL accounts, master data, preparation. So now you can see the edit chart of account list. The same here, if you observe the path also here, SPRO, reference IMG, financial accounting, general ledger accounting, master data, GL account, preparation, edit chart of account list. The same path will be there. As if you follow the document, you have a like a step-by-step path. You need to SPRO, reference IMG, and financial accounting, general ledger, master data, GL accounts, GL account, and then preparation, and then edit chart of account list. You can see the path also here. You if you follow the path, you can see the same path you can see in SAP itself. So now I'll go for edit chart of account list. Click on edit chart of account list. Click on new entries. I'll create here new chart of account. Either chart of account I'll create as a TN US only. I'll create operational chart of account for TN US. Also, like GL creation, like general ledger creation, what language we will maintain. That also we need to specify maintenance language. So maintenance language mostly we will consider English only. So select English. Length of the GL account. GL account number length always we need to specify. So mostly I'll specify length of the GL account is 6 digit. And the controlling integration. But this field in S4 HANA screen you don't see this screen because in S4 HANA controlling area is not a part of like a cost element is not a part of controlling area. So that is the reason here you can if you observe the S4 HANA system you don't see this screen. ECC you can see this screen but not in S4 HANA. So anyhow for now just leave it manual creation of cost element. Click on save. Now the transport request it will ask go for a for option or else you can utilize the same option. Save it. Now data was saved. So you can see the creation of chart of account. So once we create the chart of account, we need to assign the company code to chart of account. Just click on assign company code to chart of account. So here you can see the left side company code. So maybe I don't know whether who have this company code. Yeah, it is there anyhow because now we need to assign the chart of account to company code. Company code is TNUS and chart of account which TNT. See here you can see the chart of account.
Mhm.
It is already created in the earlier session. We have already configured like company code chart of account we have assigned. The same way we need to do in S4 HANA system also.
Okay.
So here chart of account creation and the next one is assign chart of account to company code. So total we have done till now 7 steps we have completed. 7
Mhm.
configuration activities we have completed. So maybe I think if required we can continue or else we can stop for now.
Uh, this is an okay place to stop, I think. Yeah.
Yeah, we can stop it.
Yeah.
Maybe just check with Vijay. Maybe you can coordinate with them.
Hmm.
Maybe I'll give you username password for S4HANA. Let me find out. Uh, Sandeep, right? I forgot your mail ID. 1 second. Let me find out your mail ID. I think yesterday you have given your mail ID, right?
Yeah.
Second, Sandeep. Okay, Sandeep Techmend, right? Let me
Mm-hmm.
find it. Sandeep techmend.com. SAP attach the PPT.
Techmend is with a D.
Techmend, sorry. Okay, correct? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let me find out the document. Let's see. So one more thing, like while doing practice, just make a note, like you don't forget. Like might be I doing like I'm creating company called TNUS, but in
Mm-hmm.
your case you need to create a TNUK, right? You
Yeah.
need to change the document also. I'll send a document also, like PPT and other document like a Word document also. In the Word document, wherever you have a like a TNUS, you can change it to your company code, which is a TNUK. You can create your own company code in SAP system.
Okay.
Maybe I will give the username. So here, this is the username password. Remote desktop. Remote desktop. Username, password. You know, right? How to log in? I show you like go to remote
Yeah,
desktop.
I saw.
Okay, okay. You can enter this
Mm-hmm.
IP address and then you can mention the
Username.
username, username, and then this is a password. Okay, this is a password. You can try to log in and you can finish it the configuration which we did in the training, like company code creation, all the steps you need to finish it for TN UK company code.
And there's a username and password for the SAP client.
SAP, right? Yeah, I'll mention the SAP username, dest, password, welcome, 1 2 3. welcome 1 2 3 W capsule. Okay, W
Mm-hmm.
capsule, WH capsule. Welcome 1 2 3. Is that fine?
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe I send a PPT. You can refer the PPT. And also, if require, if you stuck somewhere while doing practice, just refer the recording also. You will get the recording also.
Mm-hmm.
Wherever you have some system will not allow you to have a doubt or something, just refer the recording also and do the practice.
Okay.
Okay. So I think hope you will be available tomorrow also, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Tomorrow will be 7 or same time this.
Yeah, yeah, same time, same time.
Okay.
Okay, fine.
Thank you.
Okay, thanks, Sandeep. We'll connect
Yeah.
tomorrow again. Thank you. Bye.
Yeah. Bye.